How to log in on Waze app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign into your Waze account. For this, you will require the Waze application to be downloaded on your device. For this, head over to Play Store or App Store, then search for the Waze app, which is the navigation and live traffic application. Now tap on the install option. Once it has been installed, tap on the open option and the Waze application will be launched on your device. Now here it says you have to give Waze access to your precise location. Go ahead and tap on the continue option. Tap on while using this app. Now, if you do not have an account, you can simply tap on the Get Started option in order to create a new account. To create a new account, you can either sign up with Google, sign up with email, or continue as guest. If you already have an account, then you can log in using your email or username, or you can log in using your Google account. For Google account, you can tap on the login with Google option and get logged into your account. If you're using an email address, then go ahead and type in your email address over here, then tap on the next option. Now here it says you have to check your inbox for the verification email. Go ahead and open your mailing app. This is the mail you will receive. Simply tap on the verify email option. And just like that, you have been successfully logged into your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.